How to improve signal service on iPhone. As you can see, my current signal strength is pretty weak. This often makes it hard to make or receive calls and even affects my data speed. First, head over to your iPhone settings. Look for the option Mobile Services and tap on it. Here you will see your network details. Now, scroll down to go to Network Selection and turn off Automatic. This allows us to manually select our network. Once you disable automatic selection, your iPhone will temporarily lose its 4G or 5G connection. But don't worry, it's part of the process. Wait for your iPhone to detect carriers. In my case, it finds Vivo. Select your carrier manually from the list. After selecting your carriers manually for SIM, it might look like nothing has changed initially as the bars may remain the same. Go to the control center and enable airplane mode. This will disconnect all network connections. Wait for a few seconds and then turn airplane mode off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the nearest cell towers, often resulting in a stronger signal. And that's it.